Let's see the next example, that is a square of any number. Suppose here square of the cube of the 41. First expand these. 41 means 40 plus 1 bracket cube. Okay. Now here the value of A is a 40 and the value of B is a 1. Then by using formula A plus B bracket cube is equal to A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube. Now put their values, that is 40 plus 1 bracket cube, that is 41 cube is equal to A cube means 40 cube plus 3 into A square means 40 square into B means 1 plus 3 into 40 into 1 square plus 1 cube. Let's see here, the cube of 40 is a 64,000 plus 3 into square of 40 is 1,600 into 1 plus 3 into 40 into square of 1 is 1 plus 1. Let's see here, 64,000 plus 3 into 16, that is 4,800 plus here 120 plus 1. Now let's add these four terms. The answer is 1, then 2, 8 plus 1, 9, again 4 plus 4, 8 and 6 as it is. The cube of 41 is equal to 68,921. Okay, now write down. And after that solve the example of 102 cube. 102 cube. Okay, let's see the answer of 102 bracket cube. Here first expand this number. 102 bracket cube means 100 plus 2 bracket cube. Here the value of A is 100 and value of B is a 2. Now by using formula a plus b bracket cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So here 102 bracket cube means 100 plus 2 bracket cube, it means a cube, that is 100 cube plus 3 into 100 square into b means 2 plus 3 into 100 into square of b, that is 2 square plus 2 cube. The cube of 100 is 10 lakh plus 3 into square of 100 is 10,000 and plus 3 into the square of 2 is 4 and cube of 2 is 8. Let's see here. This is the 10 lakh plus 3 into 10,000 into 2. It means 2 is a 6 plus 60,000 plus 4 3 the 12 and 12 plus 1, 12 on the 12. 12 0 0 plus 8. Now let's add the number. 10 lakh 61,208. This is the answer of 102 bracket cube. Let's check your answer. Now let's see the next example. It's 2m plus 4 bracket cube. Here the value of a is a 2m and value of b is a 4. Now by using formula a plus b bracket cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Put here values in this formula. 2m plus 4 is equal bracket cube is equal to, here the value of a is 2m and value of b is 4. So first a cube means 2m bracket cube plus 3 into s square, that is 2m square, into b means 4 plus 3 into a, that is 2m, into the square of b is means 4 square plus cube of b, it means cube of 4. Let's see here. 2m cube means 8m cube. The cube of 2 is 8. So 8m cube plus 3 into square of 2m, that is 4m square into 4 plus 3 into 2m into square of b is 16 plus cube of 4 is 64. Now let's product and add the number. 8m cube plus here 4 3 is 12 and 12 4s are 48 m square plus 3 to the 6 and 16 6 are 96m plus 64 is the answer of 2m plus 4 bracket cube.